In this video, I'm going to show you how to add refrigerant to your vehicle. You can purchase one of these recharge kits at pretty much any discount auto parts store, Walmart, or on Amazon. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is pop the hood on your vehicle. If you happen to have a meat thermometer, go ahead and stick that right in your vent so you can monitor your progress. This vehicle has a very slow leak. One recharge lasts about 1 year. So I prefer to get this ultra synthetic recharge kit with the leak sealer in it. And it's not one of those goopy sealers. It's actually a sealer that conditions all the seals, makes them expand, and that's what seals up the leaks. So we need to find the low pressure service port, and that's what we're going to connect this quick coupler to. Now, kind of an easy way to find it, the low pressure service port is usually on the larger diameter AC line. So if you find your AC lines, you're going to have two of them. One's going to be a high pressure, one's going to be a low pressure. And generally speaking, the high pressure line, it might have an H on the cap, or it's usually the smaller diameter line. In any case, this coupler will not fit on the high pressure port, so even if you have the wrong one, it won't fit on there. It will only fit on the low pressure port. So go ahead and unscrew the low pressure port cap. Set that aside because we're going to screw that back on later. And then we're going to attach the quick coupler. You're going to pull this back a little bit as you push it on. Once you have it on, give it a little tug to make sure it doesn't come off. And now you want to start the vehicle and turn on your AC components to high fan. Turn on max AC and full cold. And now you want to squeeze the trigger and rotate the can from 6 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Do that for about 10 seconds, let go of the trigger, and then check the gauge. It should be right around 45 psi. If the needle is not between 40 and 50 psi, go ahead and squeeze the trigger and add more refrigerant. And do this for only 10 seconds at a time. Don't do it for about a minute because you're going to want to check the pressure every 10 seconds. If for any reason the needle is in the red when you first started out, do not add refrigerant. Take it to a mechanic so they can figure out what's wrong with your vehicle. Go inside and check the meat thermometer and check the temperature of the air coming out of the vents. Right now it's 93 degrees outside. If it's around 80 degrees outside, your AC should be blowing about 50 to 53 degrees. Shut off your AC and shut off the vehicle. Disconnect the quick coupler and replace the cap. Congratulations on adding your own refrigerant. With this leak sealer, hopefully your refrigerant will stay in your vehicle a little longer and blow a little colder. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.